Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn role model. 48 counts, 4 walls, 1 restart, wall 3 after 32 counts. Here's a preview of the beautiful steps. Starting with the right foot, 2 walks forward, walk, walk, cross samba, turn, cross samba, turn. Quarter turn over your right. Then we do forward ball change and a step, ball change and a rock, recover and a drag and a coaster step and a pivot, turn and a cross, hold ball, cross, hold side rock, recover side shuffle, cross, back, half touch, half turn, shuffle forward and a rock, recover and a coaster step and a rock, recover and a coaster cross, step together, locking shuffle forward, rock, recover and a shuffle. New wall. Let's break it down. First, it's 48 counts. First 8. Walk, walk, cross samba, forward ball change and a forward ball change. Starting with your right foot. Walk, walk, cross, rock, recover, turn. That's a cross samba, quarter turn over your right shoulder. Then we do forward ball change and a forward ball change. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Second 8, rock, recover, left, big step back with your left, and drag your right heel, drag, 2 counts, into a coaster step and a pivot. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Third 8, cross, hold, cross, and shuffle left. So we're facing the 6 o'clock wall now. We cross right, hold, side, back, tuck your left foot behind, hold, side, rock, recover, shuffle left with your left foot. So the counts are 1, hold, 2, and 3, hold, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. Next 8, you're facing 6 o'clock. Cross right, back, quarter, back right, half, touch and snap, step half, keep turning over your left shoulder, and a step together step. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next 8, facing 9 o'clock, rock, recover, and a coaster step. Another one, rock, recover, but now a coaster cross, coaster cross. So it's right, rock, recover, right, coaster, step, left, rock, recover, left, coaster, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last 8, facing 9 o'clock. Step together and a step, lock, step, left rock, recover, half turning shuffle over your left shoulder to face 3 o'clock. Shuffle. That's it. And the counts are, the last 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put it together. Review from the top. 5, 6 with your walks. 8 and walk, walk, cross, samba, turn, and a forward ball change, and a forward ball change. Rock, recover, and a drag. Heel, coaster, step, pivot, turn, cross, hold, and cross, shuffle left, cross right, right, back, step and snap, turn, turn and shuffle forward and rock, recover and a coaster, step, left, rock, recover and a coaster, cross, step, together, locking, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle forward. Awesome, new wall. Let's put it with counts, review with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. Those are the 48 counts. This is wall 2. Do the whole sequence, 48. This is wall 3 with a restart. Let's practice the restart. It's our third wall. We're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do 32 counts, which will have us facing 3 o'clock for the restart. Here's the restart. Walk, walk, cross, samba, turn, step, ball change, and a step, ball change, and a rock, recover, and a drag your heel, coaster, step, pivot, turn, cross, hold, and cross, hold, and cross, and shuffle, cross, back, side, touch, turn, turn, shuffle, restart, walk, walk, cross, samba. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Enjoy this wonderful dance. Click the link for the demo.